Rural and remote Queensland has suffered enormously. Our transport and infrastructure has not been maintained, let alone upgraded, in 50 years. We have seemed to have this system where we just fix the potholes if you're able to do that. I was on the Leichhardt Highway the other day north of Gundy, and the potholes were enormous, and the road actually felt like it was Bass Strait. It was up and down and up and down, and I was in a Land Cruiser, not a truck. So I can imagine in a truck it's worse, but that's not the only one. We have multiple highways over Southern Downs. We've got the Cunningham, we've got the New England, we've got the Leichhardt, and all of them are in dire need of attention. The state roads are just as bad, and the cost on the actual motorists and trucking and transport is huge. Cunningham's Gap is being fixed at the moment, but it would appear that it's been on the back burner for so long that now it is such a mammoth job that we've got long periods where it's actually closed down to one lane. That affects trucking, it affects logistics. It means that they can't actually make their windows down in Brisbane to get onto the docks. And any truck driver will tell you, you miss a window, it's the biggest pain, because then they've got to wait for either a new window or everyone to be done. That eats into their hours. Our aim is to prioritise infrastructure and get logistics back in remote and regional Queensland going. We need someone to fight for us in government and argue for us in government, not just toe the line and expect all the resources to go to South East Queensland.